Hello, I am back with the Lips lever lock that I picked a couple of days ago, the PGEM one. And after picking that, I got a comment from someone who was asking me if I found the bypass. And I'm a picker, so I never think of bypasses. I don't look at locks that way usually, but it sparked my interest, so I went looking at the lock and I was playing with the levers a little bit, and then at a certain point, well, quite early I think, I just let's do this. I was just playing it with the levers a bit, seeing what happened in the lock, and I noticed that if I just pushed like this, the lock was open. So push at the right spot and all the levers align. And you can do that with a very simple tool like this, just a straight bent wire. And if you push on the right spot, this is a bit yank, but if you push on the right spot, all the levers align, as you can see there, and the lock is open. So yeah, bent the wire. Let's try it out. Close the lock real quick. I have no idea if this is a normal bypass for lever locks. And I would imagine that this wouldn't work on locks with a curtain, maybe. Haven't tried it because I just found out about it, but maybe that's even why they added curtains. There are more knowledgeable people who will probably know. Okay, last screw. Then I hope I can show you. Like I said, it's a very bad tool. Well, maybe it works without putting the lock in the vise. That would be nice. Put the tension wire in. Okay, I can apply tension now. Put the tool in. My camera is a little bit in the way, but it should work. Then just push the levers in the right direction while applying a little bit of tension. And it's open. Well, simple bypass, but as I said, I never look at bypasses, so this was quite fun for me to play with and find. It's nice exercise in looking at the lock differently, in another way. So that's pretty nice for a change. Well, quick video. Thank you for watching.